Hello guys, today I'm going to show you where to find lead and how to mine it. Lead is a very important mineral and you can find it in the northeastern region in this direction. When you get like 300 meters from the pod, you're going to see a shipwreck and some interesting rock formations. So as you can see from the above, we are already seeing some minerals here. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, we already find some lead. I can collect them now because I don't have the sonic resonator. Let's find some smaller chunks like this one here. This can be collected with a multitool or even with your gear or with a scanner. You can just break them with anything. One thing I really recommend to have with you is the air bladder, because if you don't have an oxygen tank or any bio mode, it's going to be a struggle to collect because you're going to take a lot of breaks to get on the surface. So this is all for now. I hope this tutorial helped you and I hope you have a great day.